Hey boys and girls, I hope you had a very good Labor Day weekend. Just wanted to show you two problems that were on the homework and the difference with them. This is going to help you out on our first quiz. This is problem number 14 from the homework from practice 3-4, and this is a problem very similar to it, but it's actually different in many ways. You know, if you're looking at these two equations, you could certainly see that there's a difference between them. In this one, the whole r plus 13 is being divided by 12. And in this one, the r is the only thing being divided by 12. You still have the plus 13, but the 12 is only under the r. So I want to show you how to do these problems differently. In this problem, because the whole thing is being divided by 12, you have to get rid of the divided by 12 first, which means that you're going to have to multiply by 12 on both sides as your first step. Okay? That's going to cancel out the 12s, and you're going to bring down the r plus 13, which is equal to, and then you do the 12 times 1 and get 12. Your last step is then to, solve for r, which means you're going to have to get rid of this plus 13 so that it only says r, so you subtract 13 from both sides, and therefore you're left with r equals, this cancels out, and you're left with 12 minus 13 is negative 1. Alright, so notice that the first thing we did in this one was we multiplied by 12. This one you're going to do something a little bit different. Okay? What you're going to do is, because the whole thing isn't being divided by 12, in this case you actually are supposed to get rid of this positive 13 or plus 13 first. So we're going to subtract 13 on both sides, which will get us r over 12 is equal to, and then 1 minus 13 would be negative 12. Then the last step is going to be, well, what's the inverse operation of divided by 12? Well, we're going to multiply by 12. And then you're going to bring down your r, and you're going to do negative 12 times 12, which is negative 144. So again, folks, this is just how to do very similar problems, but you have to really keep in mind, is the whole thing being divided by 12? Because then you would have to, move that, get rid of that first. But if only one of the terms in your equation is being divided by 12, then you get rid of the addition or subtraction first. Hope that helps. Again, hope you had a good weekend, and I'll see you on Tuesday.